Right, today let's talk about order blocks. What are they? Why do we need order blocks, and how can we be trading them? So order blocks are a bunch of orders, right? Assumed orders that we think are in the market, right? So we don't know for sure, but we assume that at this particular point there are orders, which means this is demand and supply. So these are orders. And why do we think order blocks are important? Remember, what moves the market is the demand and supply, and the market is moved by what? By the price and what? And time theory. So what you need to understand is that when price moves from a point B, right, from this point A, right, to point B, we expect that at this particular point A, where price is coming from, there are a bunch of orders that would have caused price to move up, as you can see. So when you say order blocks, we are explaining that we are assuming that this point A is a number of orders, which means the price at this particular point is lucrative at this particular what? It was lucrative at this particular time, and it might also be lucrative at this particular time. So what do? We wait for price to move back to this particular zone where we think there are a bunch of orders, and we can then call this bunch of orders an order block, right? So this is how an order block came by, right? So by looking at that, what are we doing and how are we trading it? That's very simple. Trading order blocks is very simple because you are waiting for price to give you a sign that price has gone up aggressively like this. So this is an impulse. Price goes up, and after that, what are you seeing? You are seeing then price coming down and retesting that bunch of orders that we have been talking about. And after that, your trade is going to be from this bunch of orders to where price started retracing from, because we are assuming that we have supply that would have pushed price down here, we have demand pushing price up, and the same demand that pushed price up here is going to push price up here again. So you buy at this particular point and target this particular point, as you can see. So this is how you do it, and I'll see you in the next one. Shocks out.